Welcome, I'm Norman Kinsey with Liftoff Agent, and I wanted to go ahead and do a video today because I understand, and we all understand, that there's a lot going on, and now they're talking about the shutdown. Who knows what's gonna happen? So far, it sounds like we're 1 week behind China and the European countries as we speak. I wanna wish everyone health, wealth, prosperity. I'm sure everything will blow over, but since we're in this time of being in our homes and just have a lot of question marks, at Liftoff Agent, we believe it's time to be proactive. Be proactive in a sense where, where's your branding, where's your website, where's your positioning with your marketing? You have a business plan, are you already set up with the marketing strategy to be 10 steps ahead of yourself, so when everything blows over, you're ready to rock and roll and get back to work and do what you need to do to be 10 times further than where you are at today. So we have a couple things you know about. One thing we want to let you know about is the exposure grade. It's right here, and you could take this exposure grade, liftoffagent.com, and fill it out and find out where your business is at today. Another one is a strategy question. You can also go ahead and see here, you can fill out this information, go through the strategy questionnaire, and find out what your strategy is, what your 5-year goal is, and so on and so forth. Some of you may have seen this on our Insta stories on Instagram already. And then of course, we would love to set you up with a strategy consultation session that is no obligation for you to then have us go through the exposure grade, go through the strategy questions, and specifically look at what you're currently doing and give you some suggestions and some things that you could potentially do on your own. And if it makes sense and you have the budget, we'd love to be able to support you and put together a plan in action. It takes about 14 days for the delivery model. So by the time this all blows over, you could have your branding, your marketing, your positioning, your social media, and everything set up. So then as soon as everything blows over, you're 10 steps ahead, you are proactive, and you're further than you were before. So liftoffagent.com, we're here to support you, here to help you. Want to wish your family members and want to wish your loved ones all health, wealth, and prosperity. And thank you so much for watching today's video.